Alright guys, so today we have yet another unboxing, and this one, and again, from Apmex. So I'm going to be unboxing some silver that I received from Apmex, and I wonder what I have inside this time. Let's start now. Guys, thank you so much for watching another video from Urban Lifestyle. My name is Eli. This is a community on its way to 10,000 strong. If you guys would like to help support this community, you guys can help out by leaving a subscribe, leaving a comment, leaving a thumbs up. Find me on my social media platform, Urban Lifestyle 1989, and don't forget to hit the notification icon so you guys get future notifications of my future videos. Question of the day. Did you guys receive any silver within the past 3 days? Comment down below. Let us know what you got. All right, so let's go ahead and start this unboxing. You guys know I kind of retired from opening boxes, so I actually do it pre-show. But the first item we have here is this 10 ounce of fine silver shot. Right here, beautiful right there, nothing but pure silver inside of it. Let's open it up and see what does it look like in there. All right, looks real nice. Not gonna lie, looks real cool. Let's see if we can pour some out. Matter of fact, I got a better way of pouring this so you guys can have a good view on how it looks. All right, now we got that out the way. The reason I'm buying this is because I find it way easier to actually pour my silver using this. And doing it this way, it's much better because it's easier to pour. And I know for a fact that my bars are gonna be 4/9 fine. 4/9 fine. My bars, when I pour them, is gonna be 4/9 fine. And speaking of bars, I have some new bars added to my website. You guys can check it out at ublives.com, and that one is so beautiful. That one is so beautiful. Mirror finish, and the rest of the other bars, of course. But check this one out, ublives.com, and see the prices. And I'm gonna be buying a lot more of these as time goes on. Like, I think I purchased 3 of the 5 ounce, and well, yeah, it's 5 ounce, and now I got the 10 ounce right here. The only difference I actually see is that the beads are a little bit bigger than the 5 ounce. All right, they're a tad bit bigger. All right, so yes, I'm definitely gonna be buying a whole bunch of these for my pours. And if you guys want to check those pours out, you can actually go to ublives.com. Links will be found in the description below. Make sure you show your love. Make sure you go over there and you look at the website. And if there's something that interests you and you feel like, hey, it's a great value or it's a good value for you to support and get yourself some silver, hey, you know, be my guest. Awesome. So what else do I have in this goodie bag right here? Let's take it all out. Let's take it all out right there. Oh man, let's see what we have here. So we have not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, but 5 American Silver Eagle. Beautiful, beautiful coins right here. Like, look at this, beautiful, well, I don't know about this one, but this one, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's getting there, it's getting there. But let's take these babies out and show you guys. All right, so we have all 5 of them out in the open, and let's go through them each one by one. So the first one that you see here, let me see if I can get it where the light doesn't hit it as much, is this beautiful, guys. Don't focus on my fingers. Yeah, my fingers are ugly. I know. Let's not focus on that. Let's focus on this beautiful piece of silver. Sort of beautiful. Let's focus on this piece of silver right here. So we can see this one is 2004. Now, of course, all of these are damaged that I got from Apmex. I got a little bit of a discount, the fact that they are damaged. Not as much as I would like it to be for it being damaged, but yeah, especially this kind of damage. Look at this. You can see it even started to tone up just a tad bit right there. Just a tad bit. No, not even a tad bit, a lot bit. All right. So, but this one is cool. Just add it to the stack. I might clean it up. Who knows? I don't know. If you guys want to know how I clean it up, I have a video on there. If I find it, this will be a hard time to find. But if I find it, I'll link it up somewhere right there. All right. So that's the first one. This one right here is in the year 2000. Now this one is probably one of the better lookings out the bunch, right? Like, this one looks good. Besides, let me see. Besides the bottom right there, you guys can see that little toning down in the bottom. Yeah. Now, To be honest with you, I like it. Let's see if I can find anything better than that. But this one looks nice. Let's see here. As far as, looks good, it looks good. Now let's go to the next one right here. Now this one I can already see just from what I'm looking at right now. I see the damage to it. You guys see the top looks like milk spot and a little bit on the edge. It's like toning right there. Some more milk spots right there. Let's see, everything else looks okay. All right, we have some burnt spot right here or tone spots right there. And if you look closely, you can see the milk spots around everything, like all around there. Let me see right there. You can see the milk spots right there. Now, let's go to the next one. And man, this one's been through the ringer right here. Like just by looking at it, you can see all that milk spot right there. It looks like something is on there, but it just looks not in BU condition. All right, but it looks real nice. This one is 2020. What was this one? This one is 2001. I said 2020. The year 2000 for this one. All right. This one is the year 2000, 2001. 2000, 2001. All right, let's keep it going. But this one is, oh man, look at that. That one is filthy. But hey, you know, I said damage. Now going forward, I am going to be buying, like, you know, BU conditions American Silver Eagle. They're more widely known. They have more of a, how can I say, they have more collectability value to it. All right. And that's one of the reasons I'm buying silver, guys. That's one of the reasons I'm buying silver. This is my perception. This is my perception, all right? What is money? Money is whatever people put confidence into, okay? Now, gold and silver has been money in some way, shape, or form for the longest time. I'm talking about over 5,000 years. Fiat currency only had like, what, 300 years in existence? All right, and within the past history, all fiat currency in the past has fallen. There's not one successful fiat currency that's actually still going. All right, well, of course, besides the one that we currently know now, but we even have examples of modern fiat currency going down to zero, like the Zimbabwe fiat currency. Like that just crashed like from out of nowhere, and it was once looked as some great money to have. All right, but right now it's not. All right, so I can have my money into fiat, or I can put it into this stuff like here and things like this. Well, this one is not for me to protect my my wealth. This right here is probably going to go into my stack. Well, it's going to go into my stack, not probably, but this right here is just for me to actually. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a flipper, but hey, if I can get something, if this is my hobby and I can make money doing it, you know, I'm gonna be totally transparent. I'm not the type of person that's like, hey, you know what? I'm gonna try to make money off this, but I don't want nobody to know. I want to keep it a mystery, like, you know. No, I mean, I do it out in the open, so all you guys know, you know. So this right here, I'm gonna make into some stuff and see if I can sell them. All right, and every time that I sold, all the profit never goes into my pocket. It always goes into the channel to make this better. Like even this box that I'm recording from, it's used from the profit of what I've sold, so I can make the video better. I mean, have you guys seen my very first video when I started? Like, yeah, I really needed some upgrades, all right? But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. So in the recaps, I got this 10 ounce, 4 nines, I almost said 3, 4 nines fine. Stop looking at my fingers, guys. 4 nines fine, silver, all right? For my bars is gonna be coming in 4 nines fine from now on. Right, and I also got 5 damage cull American Silver Eagle. And that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. This is what I got from Apmex. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys got some nuggets from this video. And if you guys did, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. It's highly appreciated and it helps out with the algorithm. Make sure you guys comment down below because it's highly appreciated and it helps out with the algorithm. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel because it's highly appreciated and it helps out with the algorithm. I mean, there's no much more I can say. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day and don't forget to always work and grind.